Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this session, we will see how to install NEdit on Fedora 34. The Nirvana editor, also known as NEdit, is a text editor and source code editor designed for the X Windows system that resembles the interface of Microsoft Windows and Macintosh editor rather than the older UNIX editor such as Emacs. Now I'm going to check the OS version. Use this following command. This is OS version Fedora 34, and then I'm going to install NEdit by using the following command. Press Y to continue. Installation completed, and then I'm going to execute NEdit command. Use this following command. The editor is open. This is an editor. Here you can edit your files. With this process of installing NEdit on Fedora 34 comes to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.